Alright, so let's take a look at Bandit 19. First we're going to log into our server here. So let's paste our password. Let's paste it correctly here. There we go. So to gain access to the next level, you should use the setuid binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it, and the password is found in /etc/banditpass after you've used the setuid binary. Let's find out a little bit more about what that means exactly. I don't think we've used or dealt with setuid before. It basically allows a user to run something as a different user. So in this case, this binary that we're talking about it allows someone else to run as the executable's owner. So let's take a look at what this file is here. So it's bandit20-do, and so to run a command here, we just do, or to execute our binary, we just type in bandit20 with the // in front of it, and we can see that it just runs a command as another user and gives us a little example here. So this is going to run the ID command as bandit20. Let's actually run this as our current user right now just to see what our output normally looks like if we run this. We can see that our user and groups are set to bandit19, and if we run this command through our setuid binary, we can see that we get this additional bit here that notes that we can run things as bandit20. So obviously we want to use this to execute or to take a look at the password file that we're talking about. To do that, basically we want to, let's see, I'm not sure, let's see, /banditpass. I just want to see how this looks here. Okay, these are the files that are in that banditpass, and so right now if we would try to cat /banditpass, oops, should type correctly here, bandit20, we'd get a permission denied. We can, however, view our current password because we do have permission to do that. So we're at bandit19. We should be able to see what our current password is. But so we're going to just basically execute this command using the setuid binary. I'm going to hit up arrow a few times. Oops, there we go. We're going to run our command as this, so we're just going to do a cat /etc banditpass bandit20. And there's our password for the next level.